If we consider an angle in quadrant 1, this will fit perfectly with our existing definition of the sine, the cosine and the tangent, since until this point we've always defined these things in a right-angled triangle. Therefore, they're defined for angles between 0 and 90 degrees. Quadrant 1 goes from 0 to 90 degrees, so will fit perfectly with our existing definition. Here we have x and y axes, the angle theta, which is in quadrant 1. If we consider this, to define theta, we need to form a right-angled triangle. If we do so, we can then identify that with respect to theta, we have the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent. Since we're in quadrant 1, the x and y coordinates of any point in the quadrant are both positive. So if we consider this point to be the point x, y, both x and y are positive. So if we start to define our trigonometric ratios, the sine we know is the opposite over the hypotenuse. The cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the tangent is the opposite over the adjacent. All of these are going to be positive because here O and A are positive because of the xy coordinates being positive. Therefore, in quadrant 1, all three trigonometric ratios are positive.